Hello, today we will guide you through how to set Cloudflare DNS. In this walkthrough, we'll be changing the DNS settings on your computer so your Wi-Fi connection uses Cloudflare DNS. This can help with speed, reliability, and privacy, and the process only takes a few moments once you know where to look. To begin, open the Settings app on your computer. In this example, the setup is being done on a laptop, so the menus you see may look slightly different if you're using another device, but the general path is very similar. Once you're in Settings, move to the top right area of your screen and click on your Wi-Fi connection. Look for the currently available wireless network section, then select Wi-Fi to open the network settings. From there, click on the Wi-Fi connection you're currently using. This opens the detailed settings for that specific network. These details usually include connection status, network properties, and options for how your device gets its internet information. Now scroll down until you find DNS Server Assignment. This is the section that controls which DNS provider your computer uses while connected to this Wi-Fi network. When you locate it, click Edit. A small settings window should appear. In that window, you'll likely see the DNS setting currently set to automatic. Click on Automatic to open the available options, then switch it to Manual. This tells your device that instead of using the DNS settings provided automatically by the network, you want to enter your own. After selecting Manual, turn on IPv4. This is important because the DNS address you'll be entering is an IPv4 address. If you don't enable IPv4, the field you need may not become available. Next, enter the DNS address 1.1.1. This is Cloudflare's public DNS server and is one of the most widely used options for fast and simple DNS resolution. Be sure to type it carefully so each number and dot is correct. Once the address has been entered, click Save to apply the change. Your computer should now begin using Cloudflare DNS on that Wi-Fi connection. If the network seems to pause for a moment, that's normal, while the new settings take effect. Also, keep in mind that this change applies to the Wi-Fi network you edited, so if you switch to another network later, you may need to repeat the same process there. And that's it. You've successfully updated your computer's DNS settings to use Cloudflare DNS.